Every country has its customs. People look different and behave differently. They speak various languages, but in the United Kingdom, they can all speak English. We must work hard to learn this beautiful language. Let's revise the words we have already learned. Muscular. To stare at somebody. A remark. To be obsessed with something. To affect something. Unrealistic. Vanity. To focus on something. Checked. Striped. Plain. Polka dot. Baggy. Tight-fitting. Loose-fitting. Elegant. Smart. Sporty. Casual. Velvet. Leather. Silk. Cotton. Wool. We have learned how to use the passive voice. The Russian playwright A. Chekhov wrote the play The Cherry Orchard. The play The Cherry Orchard was written by the Russian playwright A. Chekhov. We now know how to use the causative forms. The girl is having her hair done. We have learned how to give advice in English. If I were you, I would put on something more casual. You shouldn't forget about the way you look. It would be a good idea to have your nails painted. Why don't you put on another blouse to match your skirt? Have you thought of going on a diet?